Welcome to day 39. Today we're diving into one of the most impactful topics in modern software architecture: deployment strategies that enable zero downtime updates. In today's fast moving world, users expect applications to be always available, even during updates. We'll explore why your choice of deployment strategy is a true architectural concern, the massive business and technical value of zero downtime releases, the two flagship patterns, blue, green, and canary, plus supporting techniques like feature flags and automated rollbacks. This lesson connects directly to Day 38's testing, your safety net, Day 37's modernization efforts, Day 36's ADRs for documenting deployment decisions, and Day 20's cloud native foundations. By the end, you'll have a complete playbook to update production safely and confidently.
Deployment is no longer an event. It's a continuous architectural capability.
Here's our detailed roadmap for today. We begin by understanding why traditional deployments are risky and how they slow down delivery. Then we deeply analyze blue-green deployments with real-world diagrams and step-by-step processes. Next come Canary releases and progressive rollouts. We'll cover supporting techniques like feature flags, dark launches, and fast rollback strategies. Finally, we discuss the tools, CI/CD integration, and governance needed to make these patterns reliable at scale. Everything ties back to previous days, so you see how deployment strategy completes the full picture of evolvable architecture. Safe deployments are what turn great architecture into great products. Traditional deployments often involve stopping the old version, deploying the new one, and hoping everything works, resulting in scheduled downtime, high risk release windows, slow feedback loops, and painful rollbacks when things go wrong. These problems directly impact business metrics, lost revenue, frustrated users, and reduced team velocity. Today, you'll learn how modern strategies eliminate these issues entirely. If your deployment causes downtime, your architecture isn't truly production ready. Blue-green deployment is one of the simplest yet most powerful zero downtime patterns. You maintain two identical production environments, one called blue, currently serving traffic, and one called green, which is idle. You deploy the new version to green, run smoke tests and health checks, then switch traffic from blue to green with a load balancer or router. If anything goes wrong, you instantly switch traffic back, roll back in seconds. We'll walk through the full process with diagrams and real-world examples. Blue-green gives you the safety of a dress rehearsal in production. Successful blue-green deployments require infrastructure as code to keep environments identical, careful handling of databases and shared state, smart traffic routing using tools like API Gateway or Kubernetes services, and comprehensive monitoring during the switch. We'll cover common gotchas and how to avoid them. The environment must be truly identical or the switch will fail.
Canary releases take the idea of safe deployment even further by releasing the new version to a small subset of users first, 1 to 5%, monitoring key business and technical metrics in real time, and gradually increasing traffic if everything looks good. We'll explore how to set up canaries, choose the right metrics, and combine them with feature flags for maximum control. Canary releases turn deployment into a data-driven decision. Feature flags and dark launches are the perfect companions to blue-green and canary strategies. You can deploy code that is completely hidden from users, test it in production with real traffic without affecting anyone, and turn it on gradually. We'll cover popular tools and best practices for managing flags at scale. Flags turn risky deployments into safe experiments. Even the best strategies need fast rollback. We'll discuss instant traffic switching, automated rollback based on error rates or business KPIs, database migration techniques that are reversible, and how to monitor post-deployment health. A good deployment strategy always plans for failure. Modern platforms make these patterns easy. We'll cover Kubernetes native solutions, cloud provider tools like AWS Code Deploy and Azure Slots, and how to integrate everything with your CI/CD pipeline for fully automated, safe deployments. The right tools turn strategy into repeatable automation. Testing and deployment are inseparable. We'll show how the testing strategies from day 38 become your deployment gates, smoke tests validate the new environment, and real user metrics drive canary decisions. Your tests are the foundation of safe deployments.
Every deployment carries risk. We'll cover how to use ADRs to document deployment decisions, set up real-time observability, Configure intelligent alerts and conduct post-deployment reviews to continuously improve. Observability turns deployment from a leap of faith into a measured step. We'll highlight the most common deployment mistakes that still plague teams and give you clear ways to avoid them so your releases stay safe and predictable. The biggest risk is usually the one you didn't plan for. Technical patterns only work with the right team practices. We'll discuss how to move from scheduled release days to true continuous delivery, coordinate across teams, give developers ownership, and foster a culture of safe experimentation. Deployment strategy is both technical and cultural. We'll look at real success stories, Netflix's famous Canary plus chaos approach, Amazon's sophisticated blue, green, and flag system, and honest lessons from well known deployment incidents. Learn from those who mastered zero downtime at massive scale. Not every system needs the same strategy. We provide a clear decision framework to help you choose the right pattern based on your traffic patterns, risk tolerance, and current architecture, and how to document that strategic choice using ADRs. The best deployment strategy is the one that fits your context.
Deployment doesn't end when traffic is switched. We'll cover automated post-deployment validation, monitoring, retrospectives, and how to continuously improve your deployment capabilities. Treat deployment as a product you keep refining. Security and compliance must be part of every deployment. We'll cover how to integrate scanning, maintain zero trust principles during switches, meet regulatory requirements, and keep full audit trails. Secure deployments are non-negotiable. We wrap up with a practical roadmap you can start using immediately. 30-day quick wins, longer-term goals, key DORA metrics to track, and how to celebrate progress with your team. You now have everything you need to eliminate deployment downtime starting next week.
Quick recap of day 39. We covered why deployment strategy matters, blue, green, and canary patterns in depth, feature flags, rollback techniques, tools, and governance.
The single most important takeaway: modern deployment strategies turn risky updates into safe, continuous, and data-driven processes that let your architecture evolve without fear. On day 40, we explore cost optimization in cloud architectures.
Homework. Pick one service or module in your system and sketch a blue, green, or canary deployment plan using what we covered today. Questions? Drop them in the comments. We read and answer every single one. Thank you so much for joining us. If this helped, please like, share with your team, and subscribe for day 40.